Hey guys, gonna do the final random for the Angels and the rest of the filler spots. Top 8 are in. We're live. 10:37 p.m. Eastern. Our list: Shane at the top, Blake at the bottom. 10:37 p.m. 60 items in the list. Roll the dice, 4 or higher. You're gonna go 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, Steve's on top. Adam's on bottom. 10:37. 7th and final. Good luck. Sal Saluccio wins the Angels. Macaulay, Sutton, Shane, Morgan G, Brandon Brummett, Shane, and Sal. Top 8 are in. Congratulations. We're done. 10:38. Thanks.